Welcome to Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop. We extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you as you step into the world of Simple Repair, a trusted haven for all your mobile device needs. Today, we embark on a mission to restore your iPhone 7 to its full potential by addressing both the screen and button issues. Your iPhone 7 is more than just a phone. It's your connection to the world, your portal to communication, and your repository of memories. We understand its significance, and we're committed to ensuring it serves you faithfully once more. Our team of skilled technicians is dedicated to bringing your iPhone 7 back to life with precision and expertise. As we dedicate ourselves to your device, we invite you to relax in our welcoming waiting area, a comfortable oasis designed with your comfort in mind. Enjoy a cup of freshly brewed coffee, tea, or savor some snacks as you unwind. This space is not just a waiting area, it's where we aim to make your time with us not just efficient, but enjoyable. If you have any questions or concerns during the repair process, our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to assist you. Your peace of mind is our priority, and we're committed to making this journey as seamless and stress-free as possible. Thank you for choosing Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop for your device repair needs. We are dedicated to delivering top-quality service and look forward to returning your iPhone 7 to you with a flawless screen and a fully functional button. Your satisfaction is our guiding star, and we're committed to ensuring you leave our shop with a smile. Should you have any further inquiries or require assistance with anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out. Once again, welcome to Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop. We're eager to get started and make your iPhone 7 screen and button repair a smooth and satisfying experience. Your iPhone 7 is more than a phone. It's your lifeline, your connection to the world, and the guardian of your digital experiences. We understand its indispensable role in your life, and we're committed to ensuring it serves you faithfully once again. Our team of expert technicians is ready to breathe new life into your iPhone 7 with the precision and expertise that comes from years of experience. While we focus on your device's renewal, we invite you to relax in our welcoming waiting area, a tranquil space designed for your comfort. Sip on a cup of freshly brewed coffee, explore a variety of teas, or indulge in a selection of snacks. This is not just a waiting area, it's a haven where we aim to make your time with us not only efficient but enjoyable. Throughout the repair process, if you have any questions or concerns, our approachable and knowledgeable staff is here to assist you. Your peace of mind is our top priority, and we're dedicated to ensuring this journey is transparent, stress-free, and memorable. Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop is not just a repair destination, it's a commitment to not only fix your device but to restore its essence. Your iPhone 7, when it leaves our care, will not only have a flawless screen and a fully functional button, but will be imbued with renewed vitality. Your satisfaction is our guiding star, and we're committed to ensuring that your experience with us surpasses your expectations. Beyond just repairing devices, we're here to simplify your mobile journey, making it enjoyable and worry-free. Whether you have inquiries about future device needs, seek advice, or simply want to chat, consider us your partners on this journey. Once again, welcome to Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop. We're deeply honored by your trust and excited to join hands with you in restoring the brilliance of your iPhone 7. Together, let's redefine what it means to experience excellence in mobile device care. Throughout the repair process, should you have any questions or concerns, our friendly and knowledgeable staff is readily available to assist you. Your peace of mind is paramount, and we're dedicated to ensuring that every step of this journey is transparent, stress-free, and memorable. Once again, welcome to Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop. Collaborate with you in restoring the brilliance of your iPhone 7. Content to our channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.